Hello everyone, this is Gal. Very often I'm asked which brand of flour I use in a video. Usually this is the one, 5 Roses. Actually, the brand name is not so important in dough making. Today I'm using a different flour. This is a very common yeast you can find on the market. Add warm water. And knead it into a dough. You can knead it for a long time, about 10 minutes, to make it smooth. Or you can let it rest for 10-15 minutes first and then come back to knead the dough again. It is much easier for the dough to develop the smooth texture if you rest the dough first. Cover it and ferment it for about 1.5 hours. Now let's cut some green onions. You can use these chopped onions directly to make the rolls, but if you have some time and you can fry them first, it will taste much better. When the green onions start turning color, remove them from the heat. Let it cool down to the room temperature. 1.5 hours later, the dough is ready. First step is to punch the dough so the air can come out. Knead the dough for about 3 minutes. After kneading, the gluten becomes tight again, and it is hard to roll it out. That is okay. Cover it and rest it for about 15 minutes. Come back to work on it again. Roll it into a flat sheet. Spread on a thin layer of green onion oil. Fold it. 3 folds are enough. Between each folding, press it down to remove the air bubbles inside. Spread oil on the top as well. Cut a narrow strip and also a wider strip. Lay the narrow on the top of the wide. Use a chopstick to press it down in the middle. Stretch lengthwise. Turn around. Twist it 2 times. With the help from the other hand, press it down. Now we made a very nice hemisphere shape with a lot of layers. Be careful, don't press it too hard to break the dough. If you feel the dough is too hard to stretch into a hemisphere shape, you may rest the dough for about 5 minutes and come back to work on it again. Put the lid on and final proof them for about 1 hour. Start from cold water. When you see the steam come out from the steamer, set up your timer for 15 minutes. Give it a few minutes before you open the lid once you turn off the heat. Wow, they came out perfectly with a lot of layers. Let's open one. The green onion smells so good, and it is very nice and soft in the middle. This is Gal. Thanks for watching and see you next time.